Hello everyone, myself Mr. Dheeraj Patil, lecturer at Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Our second chapter is Interactive SQL for Data Extraction. So next is a set operator. The union operators it used to combine the result set of two or more select statement. Each select statement within a union must have the same number of columns. The column must also have similar data type. The column is each select statement must also be in the sum order. There are four types of operators: union, union all, intersect, and minus. Here we are going to take the two tables, employee and department. So the union operators return all distinct rows selected by the query. Syntax: select column name from table 1, union select column name from table 2. Example: select department number from employee, union select department number from department. Union all. The union all operators return all rows selected by either query, including duplicates. Syntax: select column name from table 1, union all, select column name from table 2. Example: select department number from employee, union all, select department number from department. Intersect. Operator returns only those rows which are common to both the queries. Select column name from table 1. Intersect. Select column name from table 2. Example: select department number from employee. Intersect. Select department number from department. Minus. Minus operator display the rows which are present in the first query but absent in the second query, with the duplicates and data in arranged in the ascending order by default. Select column name from table 1 minus select column name from table 2. Example: select department number from department minus select department number from employee. After that, range searching operator. There are four types of range searching operator: between, not between, in, not in. So this is the demo table for between and not between command. Between command: select star from product where price between 10 and 20. Here we are going to fire the query for the between those who have price between 10 and 20. So these are the outputs from those who have the price between 10 to 20. Not between: select star from product where price not between 10 and 20. It is opposite to the between. Those price we have not 10 and 20, between the 10 and 20, it's not going to show. Other ones going to show to the commands. This is demo table for in and not in command. In: select star from customer where country in Germany, France, UK. Those customer who are countries Germany, France, and UK. So output will be shown like this. After that, not in: select star from customer where country not in Germany, France, and UK. So it is opposite to the in command, and this is the output for the not in command.